Hi folks, this is In the Kitchen with Bert and Linda, and we're going to have a special 2-ingredient low-carb pizza that we found, and we're going to try this today. This is a first-time shot, and believe it or not, we're going to use cottage cheese and almond flour for our crust. Okay, here's Linda over here on the side. I've got to bring her over. She's camera shy. She just, I don't know why. Here's little Miss Orange Pumpkin right here.
All right, don't let the cottage cheese scare you off from making this crust, because I guarantee you never know that it was even in there. But in order to make it low carb, we're going to go with that. So, Bart, first thing we got to do is take, let me show you what we got, to tell you the truth. We're using almond flour. We need 2 cups of that. And we're using cottage cheese. And there's 1 cup of that. So, and then we've got all the marinara sauce, the cheeses, and we're going to pull out the ingredients that we're going to put on the top of the pizza. We're going to have ham and
hamburger and onion.
Ham and hamburger, onions, and lots of cheese, and I think that's it. I was thinking about pineapple, but that makes it not low carb anymore.
Well, really focusing on in this particular video is just like getting a specific crust and just see how this turns out. And
it's going to make a thin crust pizza if you like that. All right, first thing we're going to do is take this cup of cottage cheese and put it in this blender. And we want to blend it to get the cottage cheese smooth. But if it still has some lumps in it, that's fine. It works just fine. So we're going to put the top on it and we're going to blend it till it's smooth. So I'm going to cut the sound down. Okay,
we're back and we've got the cottage cheese blended about as good as we could figure out how to blend it. Linda's going to mix it and go from there.
Okay, we're going to add 2 cups of what is this?
Almond flour.
Almond flour to it. It's a little messy working with it. All right, let me get my hands in here. This is going to be the pizza dough.
You can add some Italian seasoning into it, whatever you like. But this is just the basic
crust.
Crust is what we're going to do.
We've got it on parchment paper, and then we're going to put parchment paper on top of the crust, and then mash it out to make the crust. Then we're going to add all the good toppings on top of it. So let's get it in the oven.
Okay, we're back, and this is the crust, and then we'll put our toppings and our marinara sauce on it.
Let's get the marinara sauce on it. I'm going to shake it up a little bit, and then Bert can build the pizza up like he likes it.
For low carb, if you wanted to have this low carb, you might want to use something that is a little less than sugar. This one is not really that great as far as for the sugar itself, but
it's not bad though. You got to use a whole half a cup for 8 sugars, and there's no way that's a half a cup.
Well, we probably didn't use any more than I would think a quarter cup.
Yeah. So
but you spread it. We spread this pretty thin, just as a base.
All right, and he's got onion, hamburger. This is ground beef.
We got ground beef.
It's already cooked.
We got some ham. We got some onions.
Bacon.
We got some bacon bits or pieces. Got some mozzarella cheese and some Parmesan cheese. The pizza itself.
No.
And then what we're going to do is just simply put this back in the oven and let the ham cook and let the cheese melt down, and in just a little bit we'll be right back with the finished product. We've got a cooked pizza hot right now, so I'm just going to take and cut a small slice with a cutter and just have a taste test. There's a small slice right there of it. Here's one little taste.
Can you tell whether it's a regular crust or not?
No, I mean, the crust tastes pretty much the same as a regular
Pizza
crust, to be honest. Still pretty hot, but just remember, if you like pizza, this is a crust we could try, or anybody could try. Low carb crust, 2 ingredients. Hard to believe there's cottage cheese and almond flour, and that's all there is to it. And then you can add your seasoning of your choice. This crust is going to be fairly bland because we didn't put anything really into it. But try it and see how you like it. And remember to like, subscribe, share out our video. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you guys soon. Just remember, God loves you, so do we. See you soon. Bye for now.